Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Character.ai can't log in or sign up. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, all you gotta do is simply open up a particular Character.ai app on your phone, and then right afterwards you're gonna find this three option, which includes continue with Apple, continue with Google, and continue with email, which you simply have to enter your email and simply sign in. Now, as we mentioned before, if you're getting a problem with signing in, right at the bottom you will find this option of trouble signing in. You simply have to tap on this trouble signing in option. It will redirect on your browser. Now you can see trouble logging in. We have updated our login process. Simply check it out of what has changed and what is causing. You can find this what's changing, how will this affect you, etc. And if in case you're not being able to sign in, the problems can be that your email address is not updated, or you might need to update as well. Go ahead update if you require. Otherwise, as it has mentioned, it is even shown the process, the steps accordingly, and you can go ahead check it out. But if you still cannot log in, tap on this again help option. How can we help? You can go ahead and write down your concern properly, that this is still not happening, if you have any other issues. Otherwise, once you have checked it out, this should solve out most of your problems. You can simply remove it. Now go back, and if in case email is not working out, choose any other option, can include with Apple and Google. Go ahead, choose that out, and I think that will simply help you as well. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.